Hey everyone! Managing diabetes isn't just about watching your sugar intake or staying active, it's also about fueling your body with the right vitamins that support blood sugar control, boost immunity, and protect against complications. If you want to take your diabetes management to the next level, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the top 7 vitamins every diabetic must take to optimize your health, keep your energy levels steady, and reduce the risk of long-term problems. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Vitamin D, the blood sugar regulator. Vitamin D is a crucial nutrient that extends far beyond its well-known role in bone health. For individuals managing diabetes, it serves as a significant modulator of glucose metabolism. This vitamin influences the function of pancreatic beta cells, the cells responsible for producing insulin, by enhancing their ability to secrete insulin in response to rising blood glucose levels. Without adequate vitamin D, insulin production may be insufficient, leading to challenges in maintaining healthy blood sugar. Moreover, vitamin D interacts with receptors present on various tissues, including muscle and fat cells, which are pivotal for glucose uptake. By activating these receptors, vitamin D facilitates the efficient transfer of glucose from the bloodstream into cells, reducing circulating blood sugar and supporting better metabolic control. Vitamin D also helps modulate the immune system and dampens excessive inflammatory responses that are common in diabetes. Chronic inflammation can disrupt insulin signaling pathways and contribute to insulin resistance. Adequate vitamin D levels help regulate this inflammation, supporting the body's ability to respond to insulin more effectively. People with diabetes often exhibit vitamin D deficiency due to factors such as reduced sun exposure, dietary insufficiency, or impaired metabolism. This deficiency can exacerbate metabolic dysfunction, making it even more critical to monitor and maintain optimal vitamin D levels. Natural sources include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and sunlight exposure, which stimulates vitamin D synthesis in the skin. In cases where natural intake is inadequate, supplementation under medical supervision can help restore levels and improve insulin dynamics. In essence, vitamin D plays a multifaceted role in enhancing insulin secretion, improving glucose absorption by cells, and regulating inflammation, all of which contribute to more effective blood sugar management for diabetics. Number 2. Vitamin B12, the nerve nourisher. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a fundamental role in maintaining the health and function of the nervous system, making it especially important for people with diabetes. This vitamin is involved in the production of myelin, the protective sheath that insulates nerve fibers and facilitates rapid and accurate transmission of nerve impulses. Without sufficient vitamin B12, this sheath can deteriorate, leading to impaired nerve signaling and symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and burning sensations, common problems in diabetic neuropathy. Beyond myelin production, vitamin B12 supports the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that enable communication between nerve cells. Proper neurotransmitter function is critical for sensory perception, muscle coordination, and pain regulation. Deficiency in vitamin B12 can disrupt these processes, worsening nerve-related symptoms and impacting quality of life. Vitamin B12 also contributes to red blood cell formation, ensuring that nerves and other tissues receive adequate oxygen to function and repair themselves. Poor oxygen delivery due to anemia can further impair nerve health and slow healing, which is particularly concerning for individuals with diabetes, who are prone to complications such as foot ulcers and infections. People with diabetes, especially those taking medications like metformin, are at increased risk of vitamin B12 deficiency because these drugs can interfere with its absorption in the gut. Therefore, monitoring vitamin B12 status is critical to prevent deficiency-related nerve damage. Vitamin B12 is naturally found in animal-based foods, including meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. For vegetarians, vegans, or those with absorption issues, supplementation may be necessary to maintain adequate levels. In summary, vitamin B12 plays a vital role in preserving nerve structure and function, supporting communication between nerve cells, and ensuring sufficient oxygen delivery. Maintaining optimal B12 levels can help prevent or reduce nerve damage in diabetics, improving sensation, reducing pain, and enhancing overall neurological health. Number 3. Vitamin C, the antioxidant defender. Vitamin C is a vital nutrient renowned for its powerful ability to protect the body against cellular damage caused by oxidative stress. In diabetes, elevated blood sugar levels lead to increased production of harmful molecules called free radicals, which can damage cells, tissues, and organs over time. Vitamin C acts as a strong antioxidant, neutralizing these free radicals and thereby reducing the harmful effects that contribute to complications such as cardiovascular disease, kidney issues, and nerve damage. Beyond its role in counteracting oxidative stress, vitamin C supports the maintenance of vascular health by strengthening the walls of blood vessels. It aids in the production of collagen, a structural protein essential for keeping blood vessels flexible and resilient. This is particularly important for diabetics, who often suffer from fragile blood vessels that can lead to poor circulation and increased risk of microvascular complications. Vitamin C also boosts the immune system by enhancing the function of white blood cells, improving the body's ability to fight infections, something that is especially critical for those with diabetes, as their immune responses can be compromised. This helps reduce the risk of infections that can exacerbate blood sugar imbalances. Moreover, vitamin C plays a role in reducing inflammation, which is a key factor that worsens insulin resistance and contributes to many diabetes-related health problems. By mitigating inflammatory processes, it helps improve metabolic function and supports better blood sugar control. To ensure sufficient vitamin C intake, incorporate foods such as citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli into your diet. These natural sources provide a potent supply of this essential antioxidant, contributing to both diabetes management and overall health. In essence, vitamin C serves as a crucial protector against oxidative damage, promotes healthy blood vessels, supports immune defenses, and reduces inflammation, making it an indispensable ally for those living with diabetes. Number 4. Vitamin E, the heart and skin protector. Vitamin E is a vital nutrient known for its ability to safeguard the body's cells from damage caused by harmful oxidative molecules. For individuals with diabetes, this protection is particularly important because elevated blood sugar levels increase the production of free radicals, which can harm the delicate lining of blood vessels and other tissues. Vitamin E works by inhibiting the oxidation of lipids, especially in LDL cholesterol, thereby preventing the formation of plaques that can narrow arteries and lead to cardiovascular disease. In addition to cardiovascular benefits, vitamin E supports skin health by promoting cellular repair and regeneration. Diabetics often experience delayed wound healing and dry, fragile skin, making the antioxidant properties of vitamin E crucial for reducing skin inflammation and protecting against infections. Its ability to neutralize oxidative stress helps maintain skin elasticity and resilience, aiding in faster recovery from cuts and sores. Vitamin E also plays a role in enhancing immune function, which helps diabetics better resist infections and maintain overall health. Its anti-inflammatory effects reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to many complications associated with diabetes, including damage to nerves and blood vessels. Rich sources of vitamin E include nuts like almonds and hazelnuts, seeds such as sunflower seeds, leafy green vegetables, and oils like olive and sunflower oil. Including these foods in your diet ensures a steady intake of this powerful antioxidant. Overall, vitamin E serves as a crucial defender of both cardiovascular and skin health, helping to minimize oxidative damage, improve blood flow, and support tissue repair, all of which are vital for managing diabetes and preventing complications. Number 5. Vitamin B6, the metabolic helper. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, plays a multifaceted role in supporting metabolic functions critical to diabetes management. It acts as a coenzyme in numerous biochemical reactions, including those involved in amino acid metabolism, neurotransmitter synthesis, and glucose regulation. By facilitating these processes, vitamin B6 helps the body efficiently convert food into energy, supporting stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. One of vitamin B6's key contributions is its ability to help regulate homocysteine levels in the blood. Elevated homocysteine is a known risk factor for cardiovascular disease, which is more common among individuals with diabetes. By helping convert homocysteine into safer compounds, Vitamin B6 reduces the risk of heart-related complications and supports vascular health. Additionally, vitamin B6 is essential for proper nerve function. It aids in the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which are crucial for nerve signaling and mood regulation. This is particularly important for diabetics who may experience neuropathy, a condition characterized by nerve pain, numbness, or tingling. Adequate levels of vitamin B6 can help alleviate these symptoms and promote nerve repair. Vitamin B6 also supports the synthesis of hemoglobin, improving oxygen transport in the blood, which is essential for overall cellular function and energy. This can help combat fatigue often experienced by diabetics. Foods rich in vitamin B6 include chicken, fish, potatoes, bananas, and fortified cereals. Ensuring sufficient intake through diet or supplementation under medical supervision can help optimize metabolic processes, protect nerve health, and reduce cardiovascular risks associated with diabetes. In summary, vitamin B6 serves as a vital metabolic cofactor that enhances energy production, regulates harmful amino acid levels, supports nerve function, and promotes cardiovascular health, all of which contribute to better diabetes management and improved quality of life. Number 6. Folate, vitamin B9, the cell builder. Folate, commonly known as vitamin B9, is a water-soluble vitamin essential for DNA synthesis and repair, making it fundamental for the production of new, healthy cells. This function is particularly significant for individuals with diabetes, as their bodies often undergo increased cellular stress and damage. By supporting the generation of new cells, folate helps maintain tissue integrity and promotes the repair of damaged tissues, which is critical for overall health and recovery. Another important role of folate lies in its ability to regulate homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, poses a risk for cardiovascular complications. Elevated homocysteine levels can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes, conditions diabetics are especially vulnerable to. Folate helps convert homocysteine into methionine, a harmless amino acid, thus lowering its concentration and protecting cardiovascular health. Folate also supports the formation of red blood cells, which are responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Efficient oxygen delivery is vital for the health of all organs and tissues, including nerves and muscles, which can be adversely affected by diabetes. Dietary folate is abundant in leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale, legumes like lentils and chickpeas, as well as citrus fruits and fortified grains. Adequate folate intake is crucial for metabolic processes and cellular health, and deficiencies can lead to anemia and increased cardiovascular risk. For diabetics, maintaining optimal folate levels contributes to reducing inflammation, supporting heart health, and enhancing cellular repair mechanisms. This vitamin's multifaceted benefits make it indispensable in a comprehensive diabetes care plan aimed at minimizing complications and promoting long-term well-being. Number 7. Vitamin K, the blood clotting and bone strengthener. Vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin crucial for several vital physiological processes, particularly those involving blood coagulation and bone metabolism. In people with diabetes, maintaining adequate vitamin K levels is especially important because they face a higher risk of both cardiovascular complications and bone-related issues such as fractures and osteoporosis. One of vitamin K's primary roles is activating proteins that regulate blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding when injuries occur. This function helps maintain the delicate balance needed for proper wound healing, which is often compromised in diabetics due to poor circulation and impaired immune responses. Moreover, vitamin K is instrumental in the activation of osteocalcin, a protein involved in bone mineralization. This process strengthens bones by helping bind calcium into the bone matrix, increasing bone density and reducing fracture risk. Since individuals with diabetes tend to have weaker bones and slower healing, vitamin K's support in bone maintenance is essential for preserving skeletal health. Vitamin K also contributes to vascular health by activating matrix GLA protein, MGP, which inhibits the calcification of arteries. Arterial calcification is a common problem in diabetes, leading to stiffening of blood vessels and increased cardiovascular risk. By preventing calcium deposits in the arteries, vitamin K helps maintain vascular flexibility and promotes healthy blood flow. Rich sources of vitamin K include leafy green vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli, as well as fermented foods such as natto. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure sufficient intake, while supplements may be considered when dietary sources are insufficient. In summary, vitamin K plays a dual role in supporting both the body's ability to clot blood properly and maintaining strong, healthy bones. Its contributions to vascular health also help reduce cardiovascular risks, making it an essential nutrient for comprehensive diabetes management and long-term wellness. Let's quickly recap the top 7 vitamins every diabetic must take. 1. Vitamin D enhances insulin function and immunity. 2. Vitamin B12 protects and repairs nerves. 3. Vitamin C fights oxidative damage and boosts immunity. 4. Vitamin E safeguards heart and skin health. 5. Vitamin B6 supports metabolism and nerve health. 6. Folate B9 maintains cellular health and protects the heart. 7. Vitamin K regulates blood clotting and strengthens bones. Incorporating these vitamins through a balanced diet or supplements, with your doctor's advice, can help you manage diabetes more effectively, prevent complications, and improve your quality of life. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new vitamin regimen. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more diabetes management tips. Share this with your loved ones and comment below on which vitamins you focus on in your routine. Stay healthy and empowered.